Your research on the Sangam era through its poems offers a fascinating insight into the ancient ingredients and cooking methods. Could you elaborate on how this exploration inspired your culinary creations and pop-up events?
So when it comes to Sangam literature, there are the way I have done my research is I have done a lot of poem reading of all the Sangam Padalgal. I've taken those poems. From that, I've taken the ingredients what is mentioned, or a cooking technique which is mentioned, or if some rare ingredient has been taken and they say that has been given as a delicacy, then lot of sweets which have been mentioned, sweet meats. I've taken all that, and also there are no recipes as such or weighing or measurements. So we need to interpret it such that what were the ingredients available then, what was cooked, and there could be cooking techniques mentioned in Sangam. I've taken those and I have done my own interpretation. I've done a lot of pop-up based on that. So even in demo working class, what I've done is I have got the cooking inspiration from a continental cooking, but I have used the most ancient ingredients like kandatipli, arsitipli, sukku for spicing the rice and spicing the chicken. And I've used the medium butter and ghee. The fat medium was butter and ghee. So when it comes to Sangam, I have got the inspiration from the poems. I've got the inspiration from continental cuisine. I've integrated that and I've cooked it with all the ancient ingredients. So my research is also on that only. I take a poem, this is how I interpret a poem also, because there are no poem gives you an exact weighment or measurement as to how that particular food was cooked.